Hi everybody, I'm here today to give you a tour around this fantastic 2-bedroom terrace property situated on the popular Holt Street. You'll see as we go throughout, it is of a fantastic size. So as we come through the front door, we're greeted with this welcoming entrance hallway. To the left is the dining room and living room. We have an archway separating it here, which is just fantastic and allows this open plan living space. So just see, I'll spin the camera around so you can have a look there. Is of a really wonderful size. You do have to come in to appreciate the size of it. We have storage just under the stairs there, and then as you come through the door we are into this large galley kitchen. So we've got full integrated appliances in here. This is an extension of the house and it has the Velux window there, which is a great feature. And another fantastic feature of this house is this wonderful garden. So as you can see here, it's a really great space. You've got your paving and we've got the decking just here, and it's a large space. I'll just head over to the back and spin around so you can see. You can get a feel for the house size there with the extension as well. So really lovely. The owner said that they get the sun here in the afternoon and spend a lot of time out here, which is really nice. So yeah, we'll just head back in. So as we come through the kitchen, you can see it from this angle. Really great space, lots of worktop space here as well. And then we'll head up the stairs where you'll find the 2 large bedrooms and the large bathroom suites. So if you just head up, as soon as we arrive at the top of the stairs, we have the bathroom here, which is a fantastic size, really lovely. You've got the 4-piece in here, large window letting a lot of light and very airy. And then you have the 2nd bedroom just here. So again, we've got a large window letting a lot of light in and is of a really decent size. A hallway, so space for some storage. These guys have it freestanding, but you could have something built in there. And then we have this lovely master bedroom in here. Again, large window letting a lot of light in. And then we have these fantastic fitted wardrobes. If you would like to know some further information, please give us a call on 0161 707 4900. Thank you for watching.